So he's left me no choice. I gotta go up. But I don't want to go back outside, so I'm gonna have to climb into the seat. Hope I don't knock over the many Starbucks cups of water. Last night, water got on my blanket. It wasn't a pleasant experience. Okay, so I don't need the key. This is one of those special ones. Oh, gosh. Might as well just sleep up here. Oh my gosh, even the seat is cold. Ugh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh gosh.
Don't dump that water on me.
Ow! My leg's stuck like on that unicorn carousel. Oh, okay. I made it. Ugh. Except I can't reach the pedal. Where is it? Okay, what do I need? The key? Why is it not going on? You got the key, right?
Yeah.
Well, why won't it start? Push key with key fob.
Yeah.
Gosh, this is like the electric lawnmower that won't work now. Well, I don't know. I'm pushing it to the thing, I think. It won't work. You know, if somebody was trying to kill us, we'd be dead. This is crazy. Okay, what does it say? Push brake and push button to start. Hon, it won't start. What does it say? Push button with key fob? What does that even mean?
Also make sure you have the key fob.
I got the key, car. Oh my gosh, it will not start.
Yeah, last time I had to open the door, put the key out, and bring it back in.
Open the door so the killer can get you and say, "Excuse me, Mr. Killer. Let me just put my key outside so I could start it to get away from you." Oh my gosh. Okay. Key fob not detected. This is this is bad. Oh shit, that's really bad. Oh shit. It won't stop.
Here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We woke up everybody in the neighborhood. Oh my god. At least it started now.